Considering repairing or replacing your siding, a lot of it has to do with the availability of the current product. So cedar siding is still readily available. The problem with that is a lot of it's tapered up at the top edge, and so as you remove one piece, you break the piece on top of it, and so you just keep working up the wall. And so a lot of times, if there's a repair, you need to repair that piece plus all the ones above it. So that can be a very unknown thing going into it, knowing, can I just do the one piece, or do I have to do everything above it? Vinyl siding, repairing vinyl siding is very easy. The problem is that the product may not be available still, or it could be faded to the point where a new piece, when you swap it out, is going to look pocked, and you're gonna notice that it's been replaced recently. So those factors with repairing sections of a house versus replacing, when you go to replace it with the James Hardie, everything gets peeled off. You're able to look at if there's any damage underneath the existing siding that you probably wouldn't be able to see if you're just repairing it. A lot of times when you repair a section, that section could be showing the damage, but there could be damage in a different place that is leading to that portion failing. So, replacing all the siding, especially on a wall, is going to be able to let you know where the gaps are, where there could be damage underneath it. So, if you're I would suggest not replacing just one or two pieces, but at least doing that whole wall, so you can address any issues that are underlying that may not show themselves until you have all the siding off.